Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you lecture number 29 in MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about how to create an invoice in Excel. That is how we can create an invoice within Excel. In other words, how we can make a bill within MS Excel. All the commands and formulas we have learned so far, we will also keep revising them along the way. And as you can see the bill displayed here in front of you, this is the very bill we are going to create today. The special thing about this bill is that as soon as you write any item here, that is whenever you write any item here, for example, suppose I write RAM here, and after typing RAM, as soon as we type RAM and use the tab key, the serial number will automatically appear. After that, as we type the quantity of RAM here, for instance, I have entered 8 RAMs here, and then we will type here. Here, for example, the rate we have for it is 1550 rupees. Now, as we type 1550, the total will also appear in front of us. For example, when I use the type, you can see the total has come up here, and this total is also being added up below. After that, the GST that we have applied here is also being added, and the total bill is being shown to us here. So how can we create this automated bill? You are going to learn everything about this in today's lecture. But before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, then please do like and share this video. So let's start for today. First of all, you need to create a new sheet. You can click on new sheet here, or you can click on file. Click on new and then click on blank workbook. So before working in Excel or creating any assignment, you need to set up its page. If you set up the page properly, only then will you be able to create a good assignment. So what do you need to do for this? You need to go to page layout. After clicking on page layout, we will click here. Here we will select size and choose the paper size. We will select a 4 size orientation. We need to set the orientation to portrait and the margins to normal here. So this is how we set up the page. As you can see, I am increasing the zoom. Here, you can see this line. You can see this dotted line. This means your page setup extends from here to here. If your text goes from here to here, it will be printed on page number 2. It will not be printed on page 1. So we have to work within this area. So here we will write the name of our shop. For example, I have typed here Moon Computers, and after that below it we type the address. For instance, I type here City Center Main Market. Let's put that here. For a sample address, type here main market, shop number, let's put 5 here, and after that, let's take RY Komsha. Then after this here, you type in the contact. You have to type the contact number here, like I have typed 0301 234 567. I have typed a sample number, and then after that, you need to press enter and enter again. You need to leave a gap of 1 row here. After that, we will type SR number here, and then type description, and after typing the description, using the tab key, you need to move to the last 3 columns, that is from page setup. See here on the left side of our page, on this side of the line, there are 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. Here you need to type quantity, and then after that, using the tab key, type unit price, and then after that, type total. This is how you need to write the data. After that, you need to zoom out here as we are doing, and then scroll downwards. In the cell for unit, come down a bit and type here total, and here type GST. Then enter the GST amount. Type in how much GST there is. For example, I have added it here as 12%. After that, press enter. Then type grand total here like this. After that, what you need to do is adjust the line for the signature as well. So click here at the beginning and then type here. On the left side of row number 29, where grand total is written, you need to type here exactly on its left side. Type sign shift, and then at the end type thank you here. After writing thank you for your business collection like this, now after setting up the page and entering the data, you need to format it. So to do the formatting, what we need to do first is select the top row, then click on home and merge and center it. After that, select the bottom row. You have also merged and centered this, and then after that, we will click here. We select this bottom row and merge it from here as well. In this way, you will select the data whose cells are to be merged. That is, all the cells in front of description need to be merged here. Select them and click on merge and center. Then select the cells below and merge and center them as well. And here, by clicking here, you can copy and paste the merged cells into the other columns as well. So as you drag, you will see that the other cells will also get merged along with them. Simply click, drag, and then drop it like this continuously until you reach the total. And after doing this, carefully highlight every one of these individual cells up to the total, then navigate to the top menu and click on the Home tab. After clicking on Home, we will click on All Borders here. Then look here. These are the cells you can see, right? The grand total is going into the next column. So here between H and I, there is a line. If you double click here, it will auto fit to the content. Select all the cells and then apply the border to them. After that, select all these cells and then merge them. Then after that, select these 3 cells here, merge them and apply the bottom line here. After that, when we press Ctrl plus P from the keyboard and check the print preview, we can see the build displayed like this in the preview. Now we need to format this as a mosque, masjid format. If we want to make this mosque more beautiful, what we'll do is select the data here. After selecting the data, you need to set its font size to 36 here, and then you have to press Ctrl plus 1 from the keyboard. Either press Ctrl plus 1 from the keyboard, or you can click on Home, and then here next to numbers you'll see an arrow. As soon as you click here, the Format Cells box will open in front of you. So you need to click on Fill. After clicking on Fill, you have to click on Fill Effects, and then here by clicking on 2 colors, you will select in color 1. This dark blue color, and then in the middle, you will select. This is the cyan blue, and we select the color for the lower one, then click OK, and after clicking OK, you will see the effect created like this. Here we set this to white color and make it bold. After that, we will click down here. You can fill any other color in this. Like here, I have selected this orange color and select all the cells. Here as well, I had applied an effect. For this, press Ctrl on the keyboard or click here and then go to Effects. Click on Effects again, and after clicking on 2 colors, here we have selected this gray color, and below we select the white color. Then we click here and click OK, and then click OK again. See here as well, this effect has been applied for you. After that, we select the cells below, choose orange here, and then apply this color. If you want to keep it black, you can also keep it black. After that, we will select the last line. Here as well, we need to apply blue color to it. Just like I have applied this color here, you can select any color you like. Now when you press Ctrl on the keyboard, your build will look like this, colorful. After that, we need to enter data here. So what will we do for that? First, we will type the serial number here and then type here. Keyboard, and the quantity we have is 8. After that, the rate we have is 350. And what is the total? By writing equals, you have to, now here we need to add a formula. We can also do this by multiplying 350 by 8. Just like most people normally do, they click on 350, multiply, and then click on 8 and press enter. So here, you can see the answer comes out to 2800. But as soon as we drag it, see, as we drag it, all the cells here are showing 0 because there is no unit price or quantity here. That's why it's showing 0 here. If we want that whenever there is a value here, whether it's unit price or quantity, only then should we get an answer here. Otherwise, this cell should remain empty. So for this, we will apply a small formula here. And now we want that if we have unit price and quantity here, then the total should appear here. Otherwise, this cell should remain empty. So for this, we will use a small formula here. Type equals to, and then you have to type F, open bracket, and after that, unit price. So you have to click on unit price here. The unit price is 350, so we are saying that the unit price should be greater than 0. So what should the computer answer with the quantity? Comma, and here inside the inverted commas, actually comma, and after that you have to multiply the unit price by the quantity. That is, if the unit price here is greater, then multiply the unit price by the quantity. Then after this, type a comma. Suppose that both the unit price and quantity are missing. If our cells are empty, then what should the computer answer? Comma, inverted comma, comma, space, inverted comma, comma, and then close the bracket. We have to write a small formula here, and as soon as you press enter, the answer will appear here. After that, when we drag it, you'll see that zeros did not appear in the other cells. And if you also want to give auto serial numbers here, for that too, you have to use a small formula here and then write equals after this. Here type IF, open the bracket, select this cell and start the bracket here. After that, we tell the computer that if, let's suppose which cell is this, it's B, so this is B7 if B7 is empty. This cell, meaning if this cell is empty, B7, then comma, invite, comma, space, invite, comma, and comma, leave it blank. That is, if there is nothing written in B7, then leave this 7 blank. If something is written in B7, for example, let's say I type something here. Suppose there is something written in B7, then what should the computer do? It should add 1 to the value written in A6 and then close the bracket. And after that, close the bracket again and then press enter. Press enter. See, since there is no value here, nothing is appearing here either. Now, for example, I typed mouse here and pressed enter, so the number 2 is appearing here. Now we have to drag this formula in the same way as we drag the multiplication formula there. After that, see, we type here. For example, the quantity of mouse we have is 7 and the price we have is 275. So see here, the serial number is also coming automatically and the price is also being added. Then after that, I typed here LED, LED. Here I entered 4 and its rate was 4200. As soon as we press enter, see, the serial number is coming automatically here and we are also getting the total here. Now after that, if we want to find out the total here, what we'll do is write equals to here. Type sum, start the bracket, and then by clicking here, drag it down to the total, then close the bracket and press enter. The total comes out to 21,525 rupees. The GST tax on this is 12%. So what will we do for this? We write equals to here. After writing equals to, you have to click on the total. You have to multiply it with what? With 12 and then divide by 100. As soon as we press enter here, the tax we get is 2,583 rupees. So now what will be the grand total here? We will write equals to here. After that, you have to click on 21,525. Add 2583 to it and then press enter. The total that comes out is 24,108 rupees. Now, whenever you add any value or product here, the total, serial number, GST tax, etc. will be added automatically. You just need to put in the effort to create this format once, and after that, you can keep using it forever. After that, I typed here, for example, I typed RAM here. Now, I entered 6 here and its rate was 1250. Now see, as soon as I enter 1250, the total will also appear here. After that, it will also be added to the total. It will also be added under GST and the grand total here will also be updated automatically as soon as we press enter. See, 7500 and the serial number have appeared automatically. The total has also appeared. See here, the total has been added and GST has also been included here. And after that, the grand total has also been calculated. Now, as soon as you press Ctrl on the keyboard, your bill will be printed like this in front of you. So I hope today's lecture will be very helpful. I truly hope that you must have learned a lot of valuable information in this lecture. If you happen to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to hit the like button and share this video with others who might find it helpful. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.